In this video, we're going to explore the add-in builder, a method for creating custom menus to easily distribute jump scripts, applications, data tables, and more. To start, we're going to go to File, New Add-in, which will launch the add-in builder's main screen. Now first, we have to give this add-in a name. I'm going to make a teaching demonstrations add-in that I would be able to use during a class. So under add-in name, I'm simply going to call this Teaching Demos. This name is what will appear under the add-ins menu once we save this add-in. The add-in ID here is just a unique name for the add-in, and the example, as you can see, com.mycompany.myaddin, will actually follow. So I'm going to call this com.sas.teaching. Version is really what version of the add-in you have released. Oftentimes, you'll revise your add-ins and you can release new versions to others, including your students or colleagues. I'm going to call this version 1. And under minimum jump version, we'll leave it at 9. Next, we have to set up menu items for our add-in. Under the menu items section, you'll see we have a couple of options, adding submenus or adding commands. I'm going to add a submenu and call this submenu Teaching Scripts. By having a submenu, under our add-ins menu, we'll now have an extra listing. And so keeping this submenu clean allows us to, when we have many add-ins, make it a little more organized in our menu. I'm going to add a command, which is a way of setting up a script that will run when this command is selected. I'm going to set this menu item name to confidence. And what I'm going to have this run is a confidence interval demonstration. Now we can type in the actual JSL script here, or we can reference a JSL file. I'm going to reference a file since I already have the script made. I'm going to click Browse. I'm going to navigate to the script's location. This is available next to the sample data directory. And I'm going to select confidence.jsl. I'm going to hit OK, and you'll see that Jump is now referencing in this add-in that script. I'm going to add another command. Click OK here. I'm going to again reference a script. Let me click Browse. And here, let me select another script. I'm going to select Demo Regression, which is a regression demonstration that's been built in the sample script directory. I'm going to hit Open, and I'm going to give this another name. I'm going to say Demo Regression. With this set up, I'm going to click Save, which will ask me where I would like to save this add-in. I'm just going to place it on my desktop for now, but of course you can keep this add-in anywhere you need. I'm going to click Save, and you'll see already under our add-ins menu, we have the teaching scripts section that I just created. If I go to teaching scripts and run any of these, the related or referenced JSL script will automatically load. This simplifies distributing scripts to your students and to colleagues, and it also makes it easy to access during demonstrations. Now there are other additional options, having startup scripts when you actually run the add-in, exit scripts when you complete, and additional files, that is, files that need to be referenced or carried along with the actual scripts you include. This can be data tables or other pieces that are required. Now, if you would like to remove an add-in from the add-ins menu, you can do this under the View menu, Add-ins, and select the teaching demonstrations or whatever your add-in name is, and click on Register. This will remove that add-in from the add-ins menu. To add it again, we can simply double-click the add-in, which will add it back to the menu.